Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Mahavidya Ma Baglamukhi Katha in English. Ma Baglamukhi is the 8th Vidya among the 10 Mahavidyas. There is a rule to worship Ma Baglamukhi on the 8th day of Gupta Navratri. Ma Baglamukhi is also known as Pitambara and Brahmastra. A yellow aura keeps coming out of the mouth of Ma Baglamukhi. Yellow color has special significance in her worship. Ma Baglamukhi is considered to be the goddess of Stambhan Shakti. It is told in the scriptures that Lord Vishnu had performed penance of Ma Baglamukhi to calm the great storm that came in Saurashtra. Ma Baglamukhi appeared as a result of the penance done by Lord Vishnu. Worship of Ma Baglamukhi is considered infallible, especially to defeat enemies and opponents and to win the case. These precautions should be taken while worshipping Ma Baglamukhi. Worship of Ma Baglamukhi is a tantric worship, therefore one should not worship her without the instruction of a guru. One should never worship Ma Baglamukhi to destroy someone. One should always use yellow seed, yellow clothes, yellow fruits and yellow naivedya while worshipping Ma Baglamukhi. One should always use turmeric garland to chant the mantra of Ma Baglamukhi. One should always worship Ma Baglamukhi in the evening or midnight. If you want to pacify your enemies and opponents, then definitely worship her on the birth anniversary of Ma Baglamukhi and Gupta Navratri. Bagla is the one who desires to destroy enemies in individual form and the destructive power of God in the collective form. The worship of Baglamukhi, famous by the name of Pitambara Vidya, is usually done to get freedom from the fear of enemies and for the power of speech. In her worship, Haridra Mala, yellow flowers and yellow clothes are prescribed. She has the 8th place among the Mahavidyas. It is said that in her meditation she is sitting on a jewelled throne in a jewelled pavilion situated in the middle of the ocean of nectar. She wears yellow clothes, yellow ornaments and a garland of yellow flowers. She has the tongue of the enemy in one hand and a ring in the other hand. According to Swatantra Tantra, the story of the emergence of Bhagavati Baglamukhi is as follows. In the Satyug, a terrible storm came which destroyed the entire world. Seeing the danger to the lives of the creatures, Lord Mahavishnu became worried. He went near Haridra Sarovar in Saurashtra and started doing penance to please Bhagavati. Sri Vidya appeared from that lake in the form of Baglamukhi and gave darshan to them and immediately stopped the destructive storm. Baglamukhi Mahavidya is Vaishnavi because she is associated with the brilliance of Lord Vishnu. She appeared on Tuesday in the midnight of Chaturdashi. This Vidya is used for calming divine anger, for nourishing work, for wealth and grains, and also for witchcraft. This difference is only for the purpose of prominence, otherwise, she is worshipped for the attainment of both enjoyment and salvation. According to Yajurved's Kathak Samhita, Vishnu's wife, who has a beautiful form and who illuminates the 10 directions, is considered to be the Ishwari of the Trilok world. The basis of the existence of all the visible and invisible objects is the earth-like power. Bagla is the presiding deity of that same Stambhan Shakti. The sky gives rain by the immobilizing power of Shakti Rupa Bagla. Aditya Mandal is stable due to it. The heaven is also immobilized due to it. Lord Krishna also supported the same power in the Gita by saying that in Tantra, the same Stambhan power is also known as Baglamukhi. In Tantra, the same immobilizing power is known as Baglamukhi. Shri Baglamukhi is also known as Brahmastra. There is no mantra like Baglamukhi for suppressing the painful troubles and appeasing the enemies in the worldly or otherworldly world or society. Since a long time, seekers have been taking shelter of this Mahadevi. There are 5 types of mantras of Badva Mukhi, Jatved Mukhi, Ulka Mukhi, Jwala Mukhi, and Brihadhan Mukhi. In Kundika Tantra, special light has been thrown on the method of chanting Baglamukhi. In Mundmala Tantra, it has even been said that for its success there is no need to consider the constellations and also to find the time. Bagla Mahavidya is worshipable only according to Urdhava Manya. In this tradition, Shakti is only worshipable, not enjoyable. All the Mahavidyas of Sri Kul should be worshipped carefully under the guidance of a guru until success is achieved. In this, celibacy and purity inside and outside is a must. Brahmaji was the first to worship Bagla Mahavidya. Brahmaji preached this knowledge to the sages Sanakadik. Sanat Kumar preached it to Devrishi Narad, and Narad preached it to Paramhans named Sankhyayan. Sankhyayan composed the Bagla Tantra compiled in 36 chapters. The second worshipper of Baglamukhi was Lord Vishnu and the third worshipper was Parshuram, and Parshuram told this knowledge to Acharya Drona. To get rid of poverty, worship Ma Baglamukhi in this way. To get rid of poverty, worship Ma Baglamukhi regularly in the morning. Now take a garland of turmeric and chant the mantra for poverty removal 108 times. The mantra is as follows. Shrim Hrim Ang Bhagwati Bagle Me Shriyam Dehi Dehi Swaha. Maintain Satvikta in the worship of Ma Baglamukhi. To get the blessings of Ma Baglamukhi, on the 8th day of Gupta Navratri, offer 2 knots of turmeric to Ma Baglamukhi. Now fold both your hands in front of Ma Baglamukhi and pray for your enemies and opponents to calm down. Now keep 1 knot of the 2 knots of turmeric offered to Ma Baglamukhi with you. Let the remaining second knot flow into a flowing river. By worshipping Ma Baglamukhi in this way, you will be protected from all kinds of enemy obstacles. This was the story of Ma Baglamukhi. All those who are listening, please stay with me. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Baglamukhi. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Baglamukhi.